We liked that we walked in and we immediately felt at home. It's a very welcoming atmosphere. It's very family oriented. All the teachers know the students, the kids. They know each other. It's like a big family. And you walk in, the building is beautiful. All the rooms have the skylights. It's very open and airy, and we really like that. The quality of the education was also a very big part of that. The small class sizes that allow people to get, actually have a lot of contact with the students and a lot of feedback. We very much like the teacher to student ratio. And the things that our kids are coming back with and learning and talking about and they're excited about is great, is awesome. She's a very happy person, and she'll come back super excited and singing all the songs in French that we didn't even know she knew. We do like that the school just celebrated its 5th anniversary. It's definitely on an upward trajectory, and we like that it's growing, and with our kids in the school, it's growing around our kids too. So that's really beneficial. I think the 3 words that I would use to describe Ashwood Glen would be first and foremost family, because it is a family environment. Engaged. Also, that the teachers are quite so engaged, not just the teachers, the entire school staff is all engaged in the interests of our kids, and that's fantastic. I would say the last one would probably be innovative, actually, because I do like that, it's a relatively small school, but right now we're sitting in the library that the kids are able to take books out of. You can see all the art on the walls, you can see the activities that are going on in the gym, what's happening basement with the odd activities. I do like that the school itself is using as many different ways to engage and interact with the kids as possible. I definitely do like the innovative side of the school here, and the fact that there is a dedicated lab to the different sciences and things like that. The after school activities are excellent, and the kids frequently bring things home with them. So we just brought home oat milk yesterday, and we were talking about that, and we've been bringing home some other activities. I like that continues the learning and the enthusiasm at home, as well as in the school. So it's one thing that's resonating here, but also they bring it home, and that becomes a continuation too.